magical range. So I have this. I can do this if I want to. And then I can do melee. I think melee is the lady outside here. That's it. Time to grind the other classes? No. Nah. No. Done the Endwalker one? Yes. I've done the Endwalker once. Dragoon chest armor on Charlian? Yes, but I would not be able to dye it. Because I don't have a Dragoon. I'm pretty sure. Like, what if you unlock the Lancer? No. I don't want to level more class. I'll feel like I have to level all of them to max level and shit. So, physical range. Which one is Viper? Is it Snakebite, right? Yeah, Snakebite I can die. But I cannot die. Wait, which one? Whose is this? Wait, what? Wait, I can die them. Huh? Wait, why can't I die this? Oh, that's physical range. That's why. That's fucking fist range. I thought I clicked melee, but I guess that's just all DPS. I don't think this armor fits super. It's